guys, welcome to We Are the Super Bikers. So guys, today I'm at Safari Mall. So and it is the biggest mall in Sharjah, UAE. And now which are you seeing? It's the kids play area. Oh, and over here you can leave your child for playing, and you can go for shopping. Afterwards, you can come to the counter and tell them that is your child and you can take him. And its entry fees is 25 at per hour and at 40 for 2 hours. And if you want any guardian, it you have to give 10 dirhams more. And the maximum height of the child should be 140 centimeter. Okay, so and over here is also the play area. Let me go and show you over there. So guys, this is the playground which I was telling, and this playground requires a card in which you will get 25 dirhams, and each game requires 5 dirhams. As you can see here, it requires 5 dirhams. This one also requires 5 dirhams. Every over here requires 5 dirhams. But like that ship, that eagle on which it's sitting, and this car requires more money. So here also you can have some fun by taking the card. So I'll be showing you on the first floor now. This is the second floor, full of kids play area. So now let's go to the first floor. And guys, I forgot one thing, that on second floor there's a furniture house also. You can buy anything, table, chair, bed, etc., sofa, etc. You can buy anything you want. And you can see that camel, 2 camels. That small one is for 800. The small one is for 800. And this is inside the kids play area which I showed you before. This one is for football. That one is for like kitchen, etc., like whatever. So, and this is the Joy Premium Divan sofa. It's for 1000 dirhams. And this is the small chair, you can see, it's for 289, called Desigual 2021 Herrera. And this is the storage bed, which is 180 into 150, 1199, and 190 into 180, 1399. Okay, so here is called one new model sofa set, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3899. Okay guys, so now let's go on the first floor. So guys, now I am on first floor. Here you can see that there is Safari Book Fair 2021 going on. Here you can buy books, read, and you can even sit here and read, which I wish. And this is House of Silver, and here is the shop of watch, purse, etc. So, and that is Safari department store, in which you can buy cycles, clothes, slippers, shoes, etc., which you want, like mobile phones, any mobile phone you can find, and tablets, etc. And there's a sale going on between 25 and 75% off on selected items only, like on only Safari furniture. So now let's go on first floor. There you will see Safari hypermarket for vegetables, biscuits, chocolates, etc. So let's go on first floor. And so guys, now we are on the ground floor, in which it's a Safari hypermarket, from where you can buy vegetables, chocolates, biscuits, etc., perfumes, etc. So this is Safari hypermarket. So now I will be showing you one more thing. Let's go. And guys, on second ground floor there's a date shop. You can buy a dates, Khajur in Hindi, etc. So guys, here is also on ground floor. There's also a furniture house. This is a bed, hydraulic bed. It's for 2,300, and it's a sofa set for 3,597, and this coffee table is for 329, and that floor lamp is for 229, table lamp is for 99, and this is called Hadid sofa set. It's for 4,000, and that is called Rubel tufted L-shaped sofa for 2,299, and this is water purifier for 39, and this is also floor lamp for 229, and this is called Daiko soft sofa set for 2,937, and that is called Katia 3-piece Alu soft sofa set for 1,000, and this is Jinlong Kava storage for 300, and this is Trinity dining set 1+4 699, and this is office table for 299, and it is a bed. It is called standard bed 90 into 190 for 500, and this is called chest of drawers 139, and this is Alastair Kinder Home Kids bed for 1,499, and this is 3-seater sofa cum bed 1,399, and this is Iris bedroom set for 1,799. Okay, so guys, for today this much is enough. See you tomorrow.